Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Rockets Junk, and today we're going to look at some cooling devices that I'm adapting for fursuit use. And I saw these online. These are meant to fit into the suspension of a bump cap or a hard hat on a work site. And these can be frozen. Now what I've done and modified this for fursuit. At first I just stuck one in my fursuit head, but it had a tendency to slide around, so I added this peel and stick Velcro. Now I put the hook part on the cold pack here, and you put the loop part inside your fursuit head, and this holds it in place. Sometimes this will get condensation and this may come loose, but it helps, I think. One problem I had recently, I was at Indy FurCon with Coast and Closet Fox. I didn't realize this was damaged. Now this is I think a polyurethane shell, and it should be unbreakable, but when it's frozen, the insides get rigid. So I think this edge up here broke off when it fell out of my freezer when I was digging around for something other than cold packs. And while I was sitting in one of the events there, I think it was Fursuit Karaoke, there was something running down my face, and it was this green polymer stuff, and I did not remove my fursuit head. Otherwise people say, hey, there's green stuff on your face. I couldn't get into the men's lavatory because it was being serviced by a staff member. They had a cart out front blocking it, but I managed to get a napkin from a coffee station at the hotel shop. So I was able to swab my face off and swab out the headpiece. And this stuff's water soluble, it's non-toxic. What I might have to do to salvage this is to press. This has all got little connections here that the material can flow in and out. What I might have to do is clear this out, clean it off with some rubbing alcohol, and fold it over and hold it in place with some either duct tape or electrical tape so I can keep using this. Having one of these out of the way will keep this out of my vision block if it decides to slide forward. So there it is. Something from the industrial safety that could be adapted to fursuiting. And we return you to the Fun Day Puppet Show.